Hello everybody. Welcome to my table and welcome to my channel, which is a healthy living journey supported by eating vegetables, fruits, and salad. If you come across my channel, you watch it, please comment, share, click the like button, and please subscribe. I appreciate that very much. Anyway, what do I have today here? What are we eating? So today I have made this really beautiful platter. I have broccoli, which I just steamed with only water and salt. And then I have pickled dills. I have tomatoes and dried tomato too. I have an egg, and then I have a pickle. And then with the cassava. So cassava is really a healthy root. It's very commonly eaten in Africa and also in South America. So it's really good. It has a lot of fiber. As for the broccoli, we have a lot of fiber there. It's also an antioxidant. It's good for cardiac health. And the egg is really a protein. So the tomatoes are very good for lowering high blood sugar. So everything on this plate is really healthy. So let's say grace and then try. Okay? Almighty Father, I invite you to this house. I ask you to bless what you have provided here. In your name I pray, amen. Okay, so what else do I have? This is a lemongrass tea, which is really good. Again, nothing in it, it's just the tea, and that's what I'm going to be having. So I have a little sauce here, which is basically, I like hot pepper, so that's just a sauce I have that I'm going to be using it on the broccoli. Yeah. Yeah, I just steamed the broccoli. For 10 minutes. Yeah. I love it when it is crunchy. Yes. Mm. Mm. I love everything I'm eating here on this plate. Mm. There you go, lemongrass tea. Perfect. Mm. If you're looking for cassava, you can easily find it in the main stores. It comes from South America. There is fresh, but there's also the ones that are already packaged. Yeah. Broccoli is so good. It's really good.